In this video, we introduce again our advanced solution for recycling copper clad laminate, CCL, an essential component in the electronics industry. CCL consists of a layer of copper foil bonded onto a substrate material, typically composed of fiberglass and epoxy resin. At our facility, we have developed a sophisticated process and specialized equipment to efficiently recover copper from CCL, contributing to both environmental sustainability and economic viability. Our equipment is capable of shredding and separating CCL, enabling the extraction of valuable copper for reuse. Through a meticulous process, we carefully disassemble the CCL, separating the copper granules from the non-metal material. The recovered copper can then be refined and reintroduced into the production cycle, reducing the need for virgin copper and minimizing environmental impact. Not only are we committed to effective recycling solutions, but we also recognize the financial benefits of CCL recycling. The extracted copper holds significant market value, offering a profitable opportunity for businesses engaged in electronic waste recycling. By investing in our advanced CCL recycling technology, companies can not only contribute to sustainable practices, but also capitalize on the lucrative returns of copper recovery. Join us as we showcase our innovative CCL recycling process, demonstrating our dedication to environmental stewardship and economic prosperity. Contact us today to learn more about the profitability of copper-clad laminate recycling and explore partnership opportunities.